welcome to another episode of the Classic Mini Hub. Today I'm just going to give a quick overview of the new dashboard that I've made. I didn't film doing it because it's quite difficult to get the camera and the lighting in the Mini whilst trying to do it. So let's go and show you how it looks now. So this is a new dashboard. I cut out a new piece of plywood and I've covered it in Alcantara style cloth. It feels like a nice smooth pelt. All the gauges are now in the driver's view, which is much better as you can see them clearly through the gap in your steering wheel when you're driving. I've also repositioned the lights, fuel pump and start buttons to the middle. Also you can see I've added a boost gauge. This is for when the turbo is fitted. That's going to be happening very soon. Well, that's it for this video. It was just a quick overview of the new dashboard. Don't forget to like and subscribe.